This video shows you how to set up a formal business style letter. The first thing you need to do is to find Microsoft Word on your computer. If you press the Windows key next to the Control key on your keyboard at the bottom left hand side, or press the Windows button in the bottom left hand corner of your computer, then it will get you to this Windows 8 environment. And then just type in Word. Select Word 2013, and then that brings up, hopefully, a brand new document. Click Blank Document. The first thing we need to do is to save it. So I'm going to leave that to you to work out how to save. But if you can't do that, I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. So what you need to do is click on File, Save As, Browse for your documents, and then you'll need to find your computing folder. Mine looks different from yours, and then you should have a folder which says Digital Literacy. And there you go, there's mine now. I had to set that one up, so I'm going to click inside Digital Literacy, and I'm going to call this Business Letter, and then click Save. So the first thing I need to do is put my address at the top, my name and address at the top. So this is a basic structure of a letter. Now you can make it up if you want, or you can put your name and address. I'm just going to put in Joe Bloggs, the High Street, comma, press enter, Rainhill, comma, press enter, Merseyside, press enter, and I'll put a postcode in for the school. Press enter again. This time we're going to put in the date. I'm going to show you a way of putting the date in automatically. Click Insert, click Date and Time, choose a structure for your date. I'm going to choose the second one down, it's the full structure. Click OK, and then press Carriage Return. And we're going to write to Miss Oxley. So first of all, I'm going to say Miss Oxley, Tower College, so just to recap, we're writing to Miss Oxley, so it's Miss Oxley, Tower College, and hit enter again. Mill Lane, Rainhill, comma, return, Merseyside, again L356NE, and then I hit enter again, and I type Dear Miss Oxley, comma, hit Carriage Return, and I'm going to use the tab button on the keyboard. Now the tab button is just above the caps lock, and it's got arrows pointing in, horizontal arrows pointing in both directions. Press that once and then twice, and that aligns it as a new paragraph just underneath there. So that's where that needs to be next. And the first thing I'm going to type is I am writing, and we're going to leave it like that for a second, because what I need to do is organise this a little bit better. So this area here, which is my address, needs to be aligned over here. So what I do first is highlight the text, go back to home, and you just hover over here, it says align right. So this is going to align over to the right hand margin. But click that once, that takes that over there. This needs to be aligned a little bit better as well, so I can put that in the centre. I'm going to give this a bit more space, so I'm going to just carriage return down one more, and that's now starting to look a little bit better. The other thing I'm going to do is just get the sign off at the bottom, so I'm just going to carriage return to the bottom, and I'm going to put in yours. This time I'm going to put in yours sincerely, because I know the person. I'm putting dear Miss Oxley, I'm not putting dear Sarah or Madam, I put yours sincerely. I'm going to carriage return, a couple of spaces, and then I'm going to put my name at the bottom. I'm just pretending I'm Joe Bloggs. Okay, I'm giving a bit of space there because when I print this off, that's when I'm going to manually sign with a pen. Okay, so the next thing is we've got to fill in this bit, which is the main content of what we're trying to say in our letter.